Hi everyone, Pharma Questions here. Let's take a look at the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system. Angiotensinogen is a precursor of all angiotensin peptides. Angiotensinogen is released from the liver, and renin is secreted from the kidneys in response to a fall in blood pressure. Renin converts angiotensinogen to angiotensin 1. Angiotensin converting enzyme, or ACE, is found in the lungs. ACE converts angiotensin 1 to angiotensin 2. Angiotensin 2 acts on the adrenal glands to produce aldosterone. Aldosterone acts on the nephrons to cause H2O retention, thus causing an increase in blood pressure. Now let's take a look at drugs which act on this system to lower blood pressure. ACE inhibitors block the action of the ACE enzyme, thus stopping the conversion of angiotensin 1 to angiotensin 2, subsequently reducing blood pressure. The ACE enzyme is also responsible for the breakdown of a molecule called bradykinin. Bradykinin is a vasodilator and an inflammatory molecule which contributes to the vasodilatory actions of ACE inhibitors and their blood pressure lowering effects. Because the ACE enzyme is inhibited, bradykinin can no longer be broken down. Accumulation of bradykinin leads to activation of pro-inflammatory peptides, the release of histamine, and the cough reflex hypersensitivity, which is why cough is a common side effect of ACE inhibitors. Angiotensin 2 receptor blockers inhibit angiotensin 2, and spironolactone antagonizes the effects of aldosterone.